The reason a lot of people leave our churches is because thina bazalwane, we don't want to take accountability for our actions. Awukaze uze uyibuze after transgressing ukuthi, why did I behave this way? Or what can I do ukuthi ngingaphinde ngibe yilo muntu? Siyaqhubeka nje. We always shift the blame ukuthi usathane. Mangabe nje sisano sathane simblemayo, we are never going to grow and become better because ubalekela iqiniso lokuthi ungene kanjani usathane kimi ngoba phela imini ohambe wayenza le nto bekungeyona indoda eminyama enezimpondo ehambe yenza amanyala lapha ewenze khona. It was me. So what can I do mina ukuthi ke ngingabe ngisavuma ukusebenziswa yilo moya lo kasathana ongenzise izinto engaziyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu akazwani nazo. But we are happy to shove things under the carpet. We are happy to pretend. We are happy to use the word forgive and forget. But iBhayibheli lithi uyaphenduka. Mangabe uphenduka, first you recognize ukuthi indlela obuhamba ngayo wrong. Bese ujika kusho ukuthi mawukuthi ubuye entshonalanga uyajika manje ngoba uyabona ukuthi le ndlela entshonalanga akusiyona le mina engifuna ukuhamba ngayo. Uthathe enye indlela. Bese ke usuyakwazi ukuthi ube isidalo esishaka usuyahamba ke sesixolelile because uhlabekile. Wathi mawusuhlabekile wasubuza umbuzo ababebuza lapha kuZenzo 42 ukuthi sizokwenza njani madoda abazalwane, sizokwenza njani ke manje ngoba siyabona ukuthi hayibo senza iphutha sabethela umuntu wrong. So until we take accountability as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu, sizolokhu sibaxosha nje abantu endlini yokukholwa, silokhu siblame usathane, siblame abantu ukuthi banokukholwa okuncane ngoba bayashiya because we don't want to admit the fact that we are toxic people and we are driving the people of God away from the very place ekufuze ngabe bahlala kuyona ngoba thina siyiboni ububi bethu. Ububi hlale sibukhomba lapha ukuthi hawu uweak, hawu yena akaqini ngane ekholweni, hawu sengazange expose ububi bami ngoba phela sizohlekwa yizwe. So fanele amanyala esiwenzayo singawakhulumi, siwafihle ukuze sizoletha abantu kwi-toxicity kanjani. Imisebenzi yobumnyama lithi iBhayibheli ayidalulwe. Mangabe uzazi ukuthi uyabheda usendlini yokukholwa, luyeza usuku lakho nawe uzovela ukuthi uyabheda and the whole world is going to see you because uNkulunkulu akafuni amanyala endlini yakhe.